I chose all and I click 2D in order to see the 2D modules layout of this model or BIM model. As you can see, each wall has been like the separation wall, if it's C, has been divided to two walls, to two modules, and this wall has been cut into two walls. The first part belongs to the first module, the second part belongs to the second module. And here we can see clearly how the slabs has been divided. The same thing, I can choose any module, let's choose another one, it doesn't matter. And I can see the 2D layout. Now, the next step is to adjust the thickness of the wall according to the framing options. And we have the same data but according to the framing thickness. You can see that this 13.97 is 5.5 inches. I can just click OK and move on to the next step. In the next step here we have the shop drawings details, and this shop drawing detail showed me the information that is used during the layout and showed me the summary. In the summary I can see that in module 0 we have different wall. Let's say wall 0, we have this type of timber, this is the name of these timbers, the quantity, the length, and this data will be added to the shop drawings. For example, if I click all modules use the default value, wall panels, right now the shop drawings for all the modules will be generated. Here the analyzing dialog box shows you how many walls in each modules and how many modules do we have, and the process can be a little bit time consuming because we have lots of details in these drawings, and we can see that this bar is going on, and once it reached the limit it starts from 0 because the next module is starting. Now the program has finished providing the shop drawings for the walls. Each column represents a module and each frame represents a shop drawing for a specific element in this module. Let's choose, for example, any one. Let's choose this. As we can see, this shop drawings has the project name and number, the module's ID, which is module number 3, and this is wall number 1, or with ID 1 in this module. It gives me the list, take-off list. Here I can see the timber, length, quality, width, height, etc. And it gives me the shop drawings for this wall as a profile and a section, with all the dimensions needed. The same thing can happen for the ceilings. It also automatically provides the shop drawings needed for the ceiling of these modules. install quick load, please don't click or perform any operation on this CAD drawing while it's generating these drawings, otherwise the program might stop working. Now again, if we zoom in on any of these, you can see similar take-off list as head voice, etc., and the dimensions needed. Now the difference between the ceiling and the floor. The ceiling and the floor are two different elements, and the drawings are related to the structural information that are into this. But the other major difference between them is the floor has, in case if you have a balcony, the floor will have this balcony, but the ceiling won't. So here you can see that the balconies are generated with the floor element. Same thing, zoom in, take off list, and here we recognize the balcony as balcony header and joist, and we can see the details of the shop drawings. By this we can include our quick lesson about MCMPro. For more information, please contact me at aladdinalwesi@gmail.com or alwesi@ualberta.ca. Thank you very much and goodbye.